the software requirement analysis and specification. Your software requirements, how we are going to analyze and specify. First is functional requirements. What is the functional requirement? In sense, how each and every requirement, how it is going to process into out input. So this requirement is going to be input. Like this, we have to find out it. Based on this only, the project is going to get developed. Like functional requirements, like how this input is going to process in for module 1. Like this, we have to finalize it. Like college library system, since here the library record is the requirement. This the library record, how it is going to be divided. One is the student, faculty, research scholar. By having the code, we have to going to search it, and we have to going to view, and we are going to order it with the book ID. So these are the requirements of the function requirements. Non-functional requirement is nothing. It talk about like accuracy, it talk about the speed, it will talk about the time. So all the things will come under the non-functional requirement, which we have to remove, which are talk about the functional. Only the non-functional, right? Yeah, here the types of non-functional is like your product requirements. Based on the product, how it has to be easy to use. There has to be portability. This requirement, if it is working on software, is working in desktop, how it is working, mobile, how it is working. Like this, if I talk, that is a non-functional requirement. Organizational requirement, how it is going to be performed in the organized or for according to my policies, how it is working. External requirement, outside the environment, how it is working. These are requirements in a structured way, and how we are going to classify it, whether it is a cluster, whether group is individual, all the things, whether it is requirement making a conflict. And according to the requirements, this requirement is going to be very important. We have to work a lot. Later we have to work to the other requirements, like we have to priority, we have to do it, and we have to check it out the requirements. So here to do this, we needed 3 techniques. So one is a viewpoint. Viewpoint is nothing. You have to think of an automated teller machine, what are things it has to do it. Like this, if we have to find out, that is the viewpoint oriented elicitation. It's like scenario. Okay, who will use this ATM machines? By the user, like customers, even my employee. Like that, we have to think their scenarios. If the ATM card is working, the ATM card, what are things has to do? By inserting, we have to give the pin number, entire thing. Like we have to think, and we have to find out the flow. This is the one.